Hello everyone, welcome to all. In this tutorial we will learn how to use ParaView for post processing, and we will run a test case in OpenFOAM and try to visualize the results using ParaView. So let's begin. First, go to Spot search bar, type Docker and open the Docker, minimize it, go to terminal, press cd, documents, cd, first simulation, cd, ls, type. So to run the OpenFOAM, type ./OpenFOAM -docker, press enter. Now clear all commands. So to increase the font size, press command, hold it and simultaneously press the plus key. To decrease, press minus key. Type ls. Now press cd, first simulation, type ls. To run the simulation in this test case, first run the block mesh. To generate the geometry and mesh. So now the geometry has been generated. Press type ls to see all the files. To clear all commands, type clear, press enter. Now to visualize the geometry on the ParaView, first create a foam file. So type touch case 1.FOAM. Press type ls. Now you can see the case 1.foam file is generated. Now go to search bar, type ParaView, press enter and let the ParaView open. Click on the close button. Minimize the ParaView. Just adjust the screen. and before that first go to your documents directory, then go to first simulation directory, and then select the case 1.foam file and drag it into ParaView and click on apply button. So here we can see the mesh, the geometry has been created, and in the second row from the drop down menu select surface with edges to see the mesh which has been created using block mesh command. So let's minimize it and again go to terminal. Now we can run the simulation using simple form. So as you can see, this simulation has been stopped, and now clear the command, type ls to see. Now we can see we have 100, 200 and 282 directory which has been generated during the running of the case file. Again type touch case 1.foam, type ls and again go to documents, first simulation and drag the case 1.foam file to the ParaView. Hit apply. Now you can see we have the contour for the pressure, and similarly you can select the velocity and visualize the velocity contour. So that's all for today. Thank you.